Did you have a dream that you've never had the chance to afford to go for it? Like great Lamborghini, Ferrari, Mustang, extreme sports, I don't know what, yacht, just going for the lonely trip all around the world or somewhere else. Now it's possible, even dates and more. 8,000 options, and I have something like that, like, gifts catalog. And that's really exceptional because prices were very high, and now it's available in Poland, especially for men who have wives, kids, or like extreme sports, or simply had dreams and they could have never afforded. Now it's possible. I'll tell you about it. Listen. The company is called Wyjątkowy Prezent Spółka ZOO, so special gift. Here you have address to contact them, email, and what they offer. Dates, like, date in the darkness. Well, I know that these options are available in Poland, in Łódź and Warsaw, I don't know, probably in other cities, but it's like thousands of PLN, our currency, and now it flew down. It's just like, you can afford your dreams, like magical dinner, skydiving, like, how to make a beer, romantic dinner, Lamborghini, Ferrari, jazda KTM, so, travel by driving KTM, gadgets, like, go-karts, monster trucks, balloon, parachutes, helicopters, planes, yachts, flyboards, everything. Look, shooting. How many options they have? You just need to, visit Poland. I know about Poland and Łódź, and prices are, as you may see, it's affordable, really. Like salt, like the place with the salt to inhale something good. So places for relax, places for fun, cinema for two, cuisine, international cuisine, balloon.